Hello, I am capital letter W.
Hi, letter W. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am small letter W.
Hi, small letter W. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am wise. Letter W. That's who I am. W, W, W. Let's say W. We are wise W's. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. W, W, W. Let's clap our hands to letter W.
W, W, W. Let's clap our hands to letter W.
Who are you? Where do you live?
I am Walter, the wise walrus. I live in the Arctic Ocean.
What is this?
It's water fountain.
What is this?
It's walrus.
What is this?
It's wolf.
What is this?
It's woodpecker.
What are these?
This is whale. That is window. It's woodcutter. W is for woodcutter, chopping wood, working hard like he should. W is for woodpecker, drumming fast, hammering the tree, drilling bark. This is a watermelon, whirling fast. That's a watch, ticking fast. W is for whale, in the waves, so blue. W is for water, fountain, splashing. For you, W is for walrus, with tasks, so wide, sitting on ice by the ocean side. W is for wolf, in the woods, so deep. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. A slice to share is a tasty treat. W is for window. We look through the day. W is for watch. That shows time on its way. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet. A slice to share is a tasty treat.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter W today. Wolf, whale, and walrus.
Hooray! See you
Next time, don't be late for letter H.
It will be great.